What's up guys? In this video I will be showing you how to tie one of my favorite leech patterns, the Bunny Buster Streamer. Try and say that 3 times as fast as possible. Okay, to tie this fly you'll need a size 2 streamer hook. I'm using a Gamakatsu hook for this fly, black 400 denier thread, black cross-cut rabbit strips, 1/4 inch rainbow brass cones, and some flash. I will be using silver flash boo and this pearl purple colored crystal flash. Oh, and a UV resin with a UV light. I will leave a link to each of these materials in the description below. With that out of the way, first grab out a brass cone from the pack and put that onto the hook and firmly clamp the hook down into the vise. Then grab out your bobbin with the black thread and wrap from just behind the cone to the bend of the hook and snip off the excess. Grab out your flashaboo and snip off 3 to 5 strands about a little over a hook shank in length and tie that in. Grab out the crystal flash and do the same thing. Now grab out a strip of rabbit that is at least 3 to 4 inches long. Set the tail end of the rabbit strip down with the same distance as the flash dangling off the end. Part the fur and tie that in with a few tight wraps. Now wrap your thread around the rabbit strip and up to just behind the cone. Carefully wrap the rabbit strip up to the cone head and tie that in with a few tight boy wraps and snip off the excess. Whip finish that bad Jackson, put a dot of resin on the wraps and light that sucker up. Bam, that fly is finished and you are ready to go chase those buck nasty browns. Alright guys, if you found this video helpful, please give it a big old like down below and shoot me a comment to let me know how it worked for you. Thanks for watching, I'll catch you guys in the next one and go out and catch a freaking pig. Peace.